Hi everyone, so I finally mounted new handguards on the Voge 900 because the factory ones, well, they were looking nice and that's all that was good about them. This is ugly as shit, but it's quite sturdy aluminum. Now it's a UFO handguard, only good for the summer because wind protection it doesn't give. And yeah, before I forget it, my brake and clutch levers are a little bit in an angle, down facing angle, because I am 186 and my shoulder is high and I want to have comfortable grip and I don't like the levers to be horizontal. So I couldn't get the handguard in line level with the brake lever, because then I don't clear the plastic. Now I clear the plastic, and at there I also clear the screen, and I try to adjust the brake lever, but this adjuster, I still have to remove this, so this adjuster doesn't seem to do much, and yeah, whatever. So I also noticed the brake lever is longer than the clutch lever, so I don't know why that is. So yeah, I look forward to some adjustable shorter V-track brake levers. So where was I? Okay, so this is UFO. The mounter, adjustable mounter, is not UFO, I don't know the brand, but the bolts in it are shit. So these are aluminum bolts, you need to replace them with stainless because I already damaged the head. I am going to need a angle grinder to remove it. I also needed a 2 centimeter aluminum bushing for an M8. This is an M8 bolt. This one uses an M8 bolt. So this is an M8 bushing, 2 centimeters long. The handlebar end weight is from my Barkbuster handguard. So here inside this has a nut which has a hole in it. Nuts have holes in them, alright. The hole is M6, so this is an M6 bolt that goes through. And I also use some washers, so there is clearance. I can still make it touch, so it's shit, never mind. Yeah, I think you can reuse the original end weight. Well, that's on you. Alright, let's go to the clutch side. That's it, you see, I even melted some nice plastic bottle onto the end so it doesn't cut into the cables. Well, that's for my previous bike, and this here it's no problem. But maybe on the other side. On the other side, yeah, that's a question. It's only the brake there, it's not important. So you see here, it's much more space. Alright, I need to remove this. Right, on the pegs out.